In this problem, we're going to be solving an equation. Again, remember our equation is when we have an equal sign in our original problem. So my equation is 2 times the quantity, 3u plus 7 equals 68. First thing I need to do is clear my parentheses. And I see that I have a distribution problem over on this side. So I'm going to take the 2 times my 3u, and I get 2 times 3 is 6 u's. And then I have 2 times a positive 7. 2 times 7 gives me plus 14, and that equals 68. Now remember, the goal in solving our equation is to always get our variable by itself with a coefficient of 1. So I look for the term that has my variable, and this is 6u. Before I do anything else, I need to get that term by itself. And since I'm adding 14 to it, I do the opposite on one side. So I subtract 14. So that means I need to subtract 14 on the other side as well. So remember, we only have sides when we talk about an equation when there's an equal sign. We're talking about sides of the equal sign. So our 14 goes away, goes to 0, and I'm left with 6u now on my left side, and on the right side I have 54. So now I have one term on the left side, which is my variable term, and on the right side I have my constant term. The last thing I do for solving equations is I divide by the coefficient, or the number that's in front of my variable. So I divide both sides, again, sides of the equal sign, by the number 6, because that's my coefficient. And that gets my coefficient for u to be 1, so that's just 1u equals 9. So that's my answer. And I can always check it. When you have an equation and you solved for a variable, the great thing is you can always see whether or not you're right. So instead of putting u in there, I'm going to put 9. Again, I have 2 times the quantity, 3u plus 7 equals 68. So now if I plug in 9, does that equal 68? And I look, I say, let's work with our numbers now. This is like PEMDAS, right? It's the order of operations. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 7 equals 68. Is that? And I have 2 times, this is 34. 27 plus 7 is 34. Does that equal 68? And it sure does. So 68 equals 68. So I know without a doubt that I got the right answer.